face. Oh man, I'm trying to be tough. Your mama asked me this morning if I
Isn't this just for me to actually move my ass?
but the flag and stand where I feel your rain. I drive your truck and I roll everywhere you go down. I burn up every back road. I find field, turn it up till the pain. Yes, sometimes I drive the truck. I yell and scream up at the sky. I shake my fist and ask God why. When I find myself missing you these days, I drive your truck and I roll everywhere you go down. I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, tear it up till all the pain's clouded. Yes, sometimes I drive the truck.
You ever heard that song before? Not this one.
He was sitting there, brushing pans. He was painting waves as they danced along the sand. With every stroke he brought to life the deep blue of the ocean inside the morning sky. I asked him if he only painted ocean scenes. He said for $20 I'll paint you anything. Could you paint me a Birmingham? Make it look just the way I planned. A little house on the edge of town, porch going all the way around. Put a van in a front yard swing, cotton grass make it early spring. For a while she'll be mine again. If you could paint me a Birmingham.
You heard that song before, right?
I found that at the gas station the other day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You looked at me with knowing eyes and took canvas from the bag lay by her side. Picked up a brush and said to me, son, just where in this picture would you like to be? And I said, if there's any way you can, could you paint me back into her arms again? Could you paint me a Birmingham? Make it look just the way I planned. Another house on the edge of town, porch going all the way around. Put her there in a front yard swing.
Oh, I like that. I'll sit around and fucking play my guitar all day long, dude. Like I said, when I was in Key West, I would bounce from bar to bar to bar to bar and just go boom and throw my hat down. Play about 10 or 15 songs. People you throwing drinks at me. Pick up my hat.
To bar to bar
Like,
to bar.
oh yeah, like
And then play. No.
just literally like it's they call
Left bound,
Key West
right
the
bound.
12 steps to alcoholism.
Yeah.
It's because every 12 steps there's another bar.
Yeah.
So I could go in and make like these guys would be like, oh, you want to play for a while? Grab a stool, and I just sit there and play, throw my hat down. Drinks are coming my way. You know what I mean? Boom. Pick up my hat. There's $100 or $2 in it. You know what I mean? Put it on my head. All right, I'll see you guys later. Head to the next bar. Do the same thing. Just bounce all night long.
That's awesome.
You know what I mean?
This
Just,
is a hard life, no?
oh, it was rough. Yeah, it was rough. And I was bartending.
Yeah.
Imagine me behind a bar.
Oh,
I can
man.
mix drinks as good as I can fix
Yeah, can
diesel
you?
motors.
Yeah, no shit.
And I'll tell you what, man.
Oh, well, that says a lot.
Get me behind a bar.
Yeah.
Woo! We're talking like I would build a crowd up. After a week or two, there'd be like 50 people in there. It's like, is Jim working tonight? I'd be like, yeah. I had that little, remember the Charlie Brown? Lucy had that sign, the psychiatric thing, like $5 for like a psychiatric session, or 5 cents it was. Do you remember what I'm talking about? I had like one of those signs that said like, as a bartender, I'd put it out. If you need like mental help, it's $5. If you're gonna sit here and tell me your life
For
story,
tips, no?
yeah, I work for tips, and
I
you know,
cycle
like,
you for tips.
you want to come here and bitch about your ex-wife or something? Great, but it's $5, and I'll counsel you through it. I will mix you drinks. I will tell you what a great person you are the whole time. You know what I mean?
There you go.
And it was funny, you know. My boss was like, "Dude, man, the bar makes so much money when you're here." I'm like, "Yeah, well, it's because there's 200 people standing in line for mental counseling."
Right. No shit.
You know, I've never been shy. So, but yeah, Mallory Square was cool too, because you could go out there and get a busker's license
Yeah.
for $25 and go out there every night when the cruise ships would come in. You know, this is pre-COVID, of course, or COOF, whatever you want to call it.
You said so much fat there.
5,000 people would get off these cruise ships at Mallory Square every day. And you get a busker's license, which means you can like go. It means I'm a street performer.
Oh, got it.
I can literally set up a stool right where the people are coming off the dock, and for the 20 minutes they're getting off the boat, sit there and play my guitar and sing my little heart out with the hat out, and make like $300 or $400 every day. And then
I don't make that money working every day.
I do. I do. Well, you gotta edit this all out, Jim. I make.
No, when I work, I mean.
I work every day. I paint houses. I paint boats. I paint cars.
Well, I have a severe back problem, so I used to do a bunch of jobs regarding to IT. Now I have to shorten to the ones I can actually. You have to give me your car and get your information. I have a building, I need some shit done over there, okay?
Right. Oh
If you
yeah.
do a little bit of everything, that's cool, okay?
Well, I'm building this boat on YouTube right now. This boat that I have came from Norway. I don't know if Jim showed you my channel or not.
When you jump